Good evening. Thanks to organizer to give us the opportunity. Our topic is core financial inclusion in rural area for Chhattisgarh. Total area of Chhattisgarh is 1,35,000 square kilometers and 27 districts and 147 blocks. There are 85 blocks are tribal block. There is most population of tribals. There has 9,700 gram panchayat and 20,000 villages. Population is according to 2011 2 crore 55 lakhs is population, and rural population is 78% and rural females are 50%. There is a fact, another fact, it's based on our district that we are studying. Total population of Raipur district is 16 lakh. Total population of Raipur districts is 16 lakh, but the Arang district is 14%, total percent of districts. And urban population is 8 lakhs, and in Arang district 2% of total urban population. Same is rural areas, 27% of total rural populations of Raipur districts in Arang block. Rural males are 27% and rural females are 27% in according to districts. Here is background. The vast majority of India's rural poor still do not have access to either formal finance or microfinance. With this background, the present paper tries to examine the extent of financial inclusion of rural areas. This is our introduction. That access to financial market is important for poor people. Like all economic agents, low-income households and micro enterprises can benefit from credit, savings and insurance service. Such service help to manage risk and smooth consumption, and all people to take advantage for profitable business opportunities and increase their earning potentials. It's help to increase livelihoods also. Our objective is to find out availability and accessibility of financial insurance and services for rural areas, rural population, to understand the reason behind the status of financial exclusion and factors responsible for it, to explore how people save, borrow, make payment and manage skills, and lastly, to find out barriers to financial inclusions. This is our methodology. The study was conducted on Arang block. ये जो स्टडी हमने कंडक्ट किया था, ये रायपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एक ब्लॉक है आरंग ब्लॉक, जिसमें हमने स्टडी किया था. टोटल 226 हाउस होल्ड्स में हमने स्टडी किया था. इस पर हमने सैंपल साइज लिया था 0.01%. 2,26,000 इज टोटल पॉपुलेशन और 226 इज आवर सैंपल साइज. इसमें हमने थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेटिफाई किया और इसमें कि हमने बात किया कि 15 to 24 एज ग्रुप्स के जो मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स हैं, 25 to 14 एज ग्रुप्स के मेल्स फीमेल्स एंड 45 to 59 के एज के मेल फीमेल्स एंड 60 अबव के. और इनमें भी हमने इसको दो भाग में डिवाइड किया है, बीपीएल एंड एपीएल. इसमें और एक हमारे जो रिस्पोंडेंट थे, एक हमारे विलेजर्स थे और सेकंड रिस्पोंडेंट इज बैंक मैनेजर्स. इसमें टोटल जो हमें फाइंडिंग्स हमें मिला है कि टोटल जितने हमने सर्वे किया था, मतलब स्टडी किया था, 55% लोगों के पास अकाउंट्स है और 45% लोगों के पास अकाउंट्स नहीं है. सेम अगर बात करें तो उनमें से भी फीमेल अकाउंट जो है 50% लोग फीमेल्स हैव अकाउंट एंड 50% डजंट हैव अकाउंट. सेम अगर मेल्स की बात करें तो 61% मेल हैव अकाउंट. बट 39% उनके पास अकाउंट्स नहीं है। यहाँ पर एक इंटरेस्टिंग फिगर हमको मिला है, लिटरेसी रेट देखेंगे आप, मतलब एजुकेशन रेट, इलिटरेट येलो इज डिनोट टू इलिटरेट, फिर एलिमेंट्री, फिर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, हाई स्कूल एंड सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन। इसमें आप देखेंगे कि जितना इलिटरेट, जो इलिटरेट लोगों के पास अकाउंट ज्यादा है, ये एक बहुत ही अजीब आंकड़े मिले हमको, पर अच्छे। इलिटरेट लोगों के पास अकाउंट ज्यादा है, फिर एलिमेंट्रीज के पास है, फिर हाई स्कूल जो पास आउट है उनके पास अकाउंट्स है, देन सेकेंडरी एजुकेटेड जो सेकेंडरी पास आउट है जो उनके पास अकाउंट्स है। दिस द फैक्ट। उसको लेकर हम आगे बात करेंगे। सोर्स ऑफ मनी, 84% 84% of source of money is informal sources, and only 16% is formal. Only total 39% people have insurance, life insurance. 55% people have not insurance, and 5% don't know whether they have insurance or not. Respect, because the households, the ladies don't know that they have insured or not. This is an important fact in rural areas, that livestock insurance is most important for rural livelihoods promotion. 7% people have insurance, their livestock have insurance. 75% have not insurance, and 18% they don't know whether we have insurance or not. क्योंकि बैंक्स लोन के समय बहुत सारे लोग इंश्योरेंस करते, बट उनको पता नहीं कि इंश्योरेंस हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ। रीजन फॉर नंबर ऑफ अकाउंट, डू नॉट मनी, do not earn, matlab they don't earn, so they don't have account. Second is don't have enough money, so we have no account. 9% are not needed account, they don't need an account. 32% are other family members have account, so why 32% members people say that other family have account, so why I have account. And 16% other reasons that they don't have. There is a data that majority of account holding, 30% people those have account only for MG Narega sector, and 11% people have account that they want some payments, say like pensions, social pensions, and Indira Awas something, so that was they open the account, and 7% are for pensioners. 17% say that they want to save money, so that they open account. 8% they say that we have want loan, so we open account, and 18% other reasons. Here is a data that 39% people have NRI accounts. Here is a percent that 63% respondent say that they did not deposit one-time money. Here is a red shows that they deposits money in year. उन्होंने एक बार भी डिपॉजिट नहीं किया अपने अकाउंट में, 63% लोग खुद के अकाउंट, या 8% लोगों ने एक ही बार डिपॉजिट किया। 0% जो रिस्पोंडेंट है उन्होंने दो बार किसी ने नहीं किया। 3 बार डिपॉजिट करने वाले 1% है, 4 बार डिपॉजिट करने वाले 8% है, और 5 बार डिपॉजिट करने वाले 6% है, एंड मोर देन 5 times deposit is 14% only. Same withdrawal. 32% people do not withdraw in a year. 10% 10% are withdrawal in one time. 1% are withdrawal in 2 times in a year. 7%, 13% withdrawal in 3 times in a year. 7% are withdrawal in a 4 times. 17% withdrawal in a 5 times, and 21% people withdrawal in a more than 5 times.
So ये 0% वाले काम नहीं करते क्या? So
They are not a part of
they don't have a.
This is our overall. Is a sample.
This is original for year.
Yeah, for a year. ये जो GIS मैपिंग हमने करने की कोशिश की है इसमें थोड़ा सा. This is showing blue marks showing that they have accounts, and yellow marks showing that they have banks and post office, both they have account, and red shows that they don't have accounts. Yellow shows that they have account only in post office, and there is another thing that star says that here is our banks. All banks are roadsides. You can say that all banks are roadsides, and here is some banks that it's proposed to new Raipurs. It's proposing for cities. This is not rural area. It's proposing for a urban area. So there is banks, and all banks are in roadsides, and there is no banks.
You can get information through the.
Yeah. This is a block. Here is our, we have surveyed here, and here. Here shown the reds are illiterate person, greens are elementaries, and blues are high schools, and yellows are secondary and above. Those says that here is the major population of illiterate. So, in conclusion, we decide 2 parts. Sorry. Actually, हमने इसे दो भाग में डिवाइड कर दिया है. Demand side and supply side. Demand is for rural peoples and supply is for bankers. People's जो डिमांड साइड से जो बात है, जो हमने एग्जामिन किया है या जो हमने फाइंड आउट किया है कि लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, लो इनकम, पॉवर्टी एंड इलिटरेसी फॉर दैट केस ऑफ कॉज ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एक्सक्लूजन. एंड सप्लाई साइड से डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ब्रांचेस, branch timing is 10:30 to 5:30. So that time was not suitable. Working time. Compressed documentation and procedures and language, staff attitude, etc. that bankers have. Due to all these procedures, has either to take money from informal credit sources, that we send the 84% of money informal sources से आता है. तो ये जनरली है इस तरह के अगर होंगे तो. Compressing standard of living, higher cost, increasing exposure of unethical and irregular providers, vulnerability to uninsured risk, uninsured risk. Informal credit, money lenders, some money lenders, shopkeepers, something is informal credit.
Non-institutional source, credit from non-institutional.
So financial inclusion does not mean opening of a saving bank account. Narega has account open, 37% is opening the bank account, but this is not meaning of financial inclusion. Saving significant creation of awareness about the financial products, education and advices on money management, offering debts, counseling, etc. by banks. It should. We think about this. Every simple person have to go in ATMs and withdraw this. Yes, good. Thanks.
है